We'll guide you through how to change the color of pie chart in Excel. If you find us helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer or a laptop. Then wait until the start screen fully loads before continuing. Once the application is ready, open a workbook that already contains your pie chart. Make sure the correct worksheet is active so you can access the chart you want to edit without any confusion, and ensure all chart elements are visible on your screen. Next, locate the pie chart in your worksheet and click on it once to select it. You will notice that the chart area becomes highlighted, indicating that it is active and ready for editing. After that, click on any slice of the pie chart, then click again on a specific slice to select only that individual data point. Now, right-click on the selected slice and choose Format Data Point from the menu. A formatting panel will appear on the side. In this panel, look for the Fill option, then select Solid Fill to enable color customization. Choose a new color from the available color palette and observe how the selected slice immediately changes its appearance on the chart. Repeat this same process for other slices if you want each section to have a different color. Take your time to choose colors that are visually distinct from one another. Once you are done customizing individual slices, click on the entire pie chart again to apply changes to the chart as a whole. Next, move to the Chart Design tab on the ribbon and click Change Colors in the Chart Styles group. Hover over different color combinations to preview how they will look on your chart in real time. Then select a color scheme that fits your preference or presentation needs. You can also adjust the chart style using predefined options to enhance its appearance. Check whether the new colors improve data readability and make your chart easier to understand for viewers. Add or edit the chart title for clarity, and ensure that all labels remain clearly visible against the new colors. Scroll or zoom in for a closer look. Make final adjustments for a clean and professional result, and save your Excel file to keep all changes properly stored.